This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your personal computer with a cable. First, gather your PlayStation 4 controller and a standard micro USB cable, the same one you use to charge your controller. Make sure your personal computer has an open USB port, usually found on the front or back of the tower, or on the side of a laptop. This simple setup ensures a smooth connection. Next, let us make the physical connection. Take your micro USB cable and firmly insert the smaller end into the charging port located on the top of your PlayStation 4 controller. Then, plug the larger USB end into any open USB port on your personal computer. You might notice the controller's light bar flashing or changing color, which simply means it is now receiving power and establishing a connection. Once connected, your personal computer should automatically begin installing any required drivers. This process usually takes only a few moments. Windows often identifies the device as a wireless controller or a HID-compliant game controller. To confirm, simply open your device manager and look under the Human Interface Devices section. You should see an entry for your controller there, signaling a successful setup. Now, let us test your connection. In your Windows search bar, type Game Controllers and open the Setup panel. Select your controller, then click Properties. Here, you can move the joysticks and press buttons. You should see their corresponding actions register on the screen. If you encounter any issues, try a different USB port on your personal computer or consider using another micro USB cable, as sometimes a faulty cable can prevent a proper connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.